Houli and Zena Houli have been identified as the cousins who died in a horror motorbike crash in Melbourne's west. The pair died after two off-road motorbikes collided on Beattys Road in Grangefields near Melton about 6:35 p.m. yesterday. The family was celebrating a children's birthday party held on Father's Day with loved ones when the crash occurred. Detective Senior Sergeant Paul Lineham said police believed the teens were riding two unregistered motorbikes when they collided head-on. Zena, 18, died instantly while Houli, 17, was taken to hospital but later died. Two boys, aged 6 and 11, were also rushed to the Royal Children's Hospital with serious injuries.